Philodendron Splendid, unveiling the velvety beauty. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Ferb Vu here, and today, we delve into the captivating world of the Philodendron Splendid. This exquisite hybrid boasts velvety, deep green leaves, making it a true showstopper in any indoor jungle. But beyond its mesmerizing looks, the Splendid offers a manageable care routine, perfect for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. So, buckle up as we explore this verdant wonder through some frequently asked questions. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Splendid? The Philodendron Splendid is a captivating hybrid, a love child between the majestic Philodendron verrucosum and the alluring Philodendron Melanochrysum. This botanical matchmaker, Keith Henderson, created this beauty in the 1980s. Neil Crafter, recognizing its splendor, aptly bestowed upon it the name Philodendron Splendid. This stunning plant inherits the best traits of its parents. From the verrucosum, it boasts large, velvety leaves that can reach an impressive 3 to 4 feet in length. The Melanochrysum influence adds a touch of elegance with its deep green coloration and prominent veining. The result? A truly splendid addition to your indoor haven. Philodendron Splendid versus Glorious. My Philodendron Splendid is a diva. It thrives under bright, indirect light, but throws a fit if I forget to mist it regularly. The leaves are stunning, long and slender with those captivatingly deep veins. But that lushness comes at a cost. Maintaining the humidity it craves can be a challenge in drier climates. Philodendron Glorious, on the other hand, seems a bit more forgiving. The leaves are wider, with a more heart-shaped outline, and it tolerates slight fluctuations in humidity better. While both are undeniably gorgeous, the Glorious feels a touch less high maintenance. Philodendron Splendid versus Melanochrysum. There's something mesmerizing about the velvety texture of both the Philodendron Splendid and Melanochrysum. The Splendid's velvety sheen seems to intensify with proper care, and those pronounced veins add a touch of drama. But Philodendron Melanochrysum takes the velvet game to another level. Its leaves feel almost plush, like a luxurious fabric. The Splendid grows more like a climber, while the Melanochrysum keeps a bushier form. In terms of sheer velvety goodness, the Melanochrysum wins, but the Splendid's climbing habit makes it a great choice for a hanging basket. Philodendron Splendid versus Verrucosum. Philodendron Verrucosum. This one's a fast grower, happily sprawling its long, heart-shaped leaves. It's another climber, and needs a sturdy moss pole or support to thrive. Compared to the Splendid, the Verrucosum's leaves are a bit wider and the texture feels smoother, less velvety. The Splendid's veins are also more prominent. While both are beautiful climbers, the Verrucosum's faster growth makes it a good option if you want a lush, cascading plant quickly. The Splendid takes its time but rewards you with its unique vein texture. Philodendron Splendid versus Micans. Let's face it, sometimes you just need a low-maintenance plant. That's where the Micans comes in. This little charmer thrives on neglect, almost. Its heart-shaped, velvety leaves have a beautiful, shimmery quality. Compared to the Splendid, Philodendron Micans is a breeze to care for. It tolerates lower light, doesn't require high humidity, and grows at a manageable pace. While the Splendid offers a more dramatic display, the Micans is a winner for busy plant parents or those with less ideal growing conditions. How to care for your Philodendron Splendid. While undeniably gorgeous, the Philodendron Splendid isn't a fussy friend. Here's how to keep your plant thriving. Light, think bright, indirect light. Direct sun can scorch those beautiful leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering, aim for a balanced approach. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Overwatering is a recipe for root rot, so err on the side of caution. Humidity. Philodendron Splendid hails from rainforests, so it craves a humid environment. Aim for 60 to 70% humidity. Grouping plants together, using a humidifier, or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water can help achieve this. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, airy potting mix. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works wonders. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month can give your plant a boost. How to propagate your Philodendron Splendid. Sharing the love? Propagating your Philodendron Splendid is a rewarding experience. Here are 2 common methods. Stem cuttings: choose a healthy stem with at least 1 node. Cut below the node at a 45-degree angle. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Patience is key. Roots can take several weeks to develop. Stem splitting: this method is suitable for mature plants. Cut down the center of a stem, ensuring each section has a node and leaves. Plant each section in separate pots with moist, well-draining soil. Similar to stem cuttings, provide warmth, humidity, and indirect light. What to plant with your Philodendron Splendid? The Philodendron Splendid slush foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of houseplants. Here are some suggestions. Alocasia: their contrasting, textured leaves create a stunning visual interplay. Monstera deliciosa: these 2 climbing beauties can share a moss pole, creating a captivating vertical display. ZZ plant: this low-maintenance friend complements the Splendid's vibrant personality. Snake plant: for a touch of architectural interest, the upright snake plant provides a wonderful balance. Remember, consider plant light and watering needs when creating your indoor jungle. Conclusion: embrace the splendor. The Philodendron Splendid offers a captivating combination of beauty and manageability. With its velvety leaves and easygoing nature, it's a surefire conversation starter in any home. So, if you're seeking a statement piece that thrives with minimal fuss, look no further than the Philodendron Splendid.